Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And welcome to part 2, because my camera is so hot that if I try and leave and come back, I don't think I'm going to get very far. So what I'm going to do is add some dots, because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, right near the second book on the Amazon link, which is called Unlimited Possibilities. And I like my negative space, but I just want something to add a little more zing. And I can always add the white dots. I'm trying to keep in a straight line. I don't think it's going to take much to finish this. That's why I decided to try now. If I'm fast, my camera won't shut down. And whatever I was supposed to tell you in my last go round, I'm not going to worry too much about. Alright, so my silver, we'll make a line. And how many of those do I want to try? I left some paint in the way. I'm kind of hoping to camouflage my wobbly lines. It's probably not going to work. But I'm still having a good time. And I'm trying not to move too awful fast, because I think that could be a problem. I'm going to take some Anita's white metallic. What am I going to do with it? Put it over here. That is a large skewer, and that is the blunt end. And I'm actually getting somewhere that I can see that I like things. That's cool. What else do I want to do? I know it's probably driving somebody nuts that things aren't even and things, but that's just the way accidental art is going to be. Trying to space them out fairly evenly. And I think I'm really close to being done. I'm going to take a big chance. Am I? Yes? Oh boy. I'm going to take a big chance and... Yep. The opening at on this bottle is really, really large. So the chance I'm taking is the fact that it might be an issue. Kind of like rolling my skewer and things. And I could just put some of that paint right on skewer. Sort of like toothpaste on a toothbrush. And add some more marks. Kind of want to do that with the black too. It'll of course come out gray. If I'm lucky. Okay, it came out nothing. So we can fix that. If it'll come out. Kind of want to do stuff. Picking up paint and rolling it somewhere else is kind of cool. I like doing that a lot. You don't know what you're going to get. You don't even know what you're going to leave behind. But it's pretty cool. Now what do I do here? Because if I'm not careful, I'll make a mistake. I'll put some more white paint down. I'm still not hating on this. I want to put some spirals in here, but I don't think... Ooh, maybe I can. I don't think I can. It's drying. I got some little knobbies, that's enough. I don't think I can move much because the day is hot and it's drying so fast. So I'm thinking, where's my gold? I'm thinking I better do whatever I'm gonna do pretty quick. I'm still happy. Thought I might steal some paint, but then I thought better of it, because if I stick something in a place that's already getting congealed, it's going to leave a mark. Oh, new mark. Speaking of marks. Yeah, that's kind of fun, and I'm still not done. Well, I wasn't intending for that to be gold, but it's okay that it is. Just adding studs. I'm still not over, I still haven't completely overdosed, which is a miracle and pretty cool. I think if I want other dots there, I'm going to have to add them. I want to just drag something through there because I see that little... Yeah, I got it. Cool. There's a little filament that was stuck at the end of that mark, making it even odder than I wanted it. Try not to get too fussy like I do. It's not helpful. Alright, so here's my white, and I'm just going to do it. Okay, I can see that I'm very close to something. What is it? I don't know. We're getting someplace. All right, my black is going on my skewer. And even though the paint is sticky and it's not making a regulated mark, it's still cool. And these lines remind me of that line, and that line makes me feel like I could actually fix that little spot right there. Probably I'd be better off doing it with a skewer, but sometimes I just can't stop myself. So what do I need? Anything? Not much. Pretty close. It is what it is. It's not probably to everybody's taste, but that's okay. So silver, maybe? This is still bugging me. So what do I do about that now? Because that was not an improvement. That is the sharp end of the skewer. And this is my hopeful fix. You know what? I can do that. So I'm just turning it sideways and dipping it in the paint I just put down. Reminds me of fish bones. I think I can even some of that out by just dragging it along. And it's organic looking, so that's my word that saves me from disgrace. Just making more patterns, just still having a good time. Making funky funky. Making funky funkier. I want to pull that someplace. I don't want to ruin anything though. That's a lot of different patterns. I kind of like that white there. I think I might cheat. Using more of the tip. The back end is a little fat right here. So I like that better with a little more even. That spot's the only spot that's bugging me. So I think I'm just going to give myself permission. Oh, I've got a love bug on my shoulder. My dots are as close as they're going to be now. If they don't run, that'd be great. It's got some balance. These are weird. So it's a different kind of geometric. It's sort of got a 1940s, 1950s modern vibe to it. I'm going to put a little bit of white pearl right on my skewer so I have a chance to even that up. Not that it would probably be important to anyone but me. No, leave it alone. I want to keep playing. What can I say? It's hard to stop. That and I like dots. I like dots a lot. I don't think that hurt anything. I'm glad too. We still got these spatters over here, but I think we're just going to learn to live with them. Or add dots nearby to distract the eye. There. I've used up far more of your time than I anticipated. But it's okay. Can't stop! What am I gonna do? I wanted something somewhere. Alright, this is a little messy over here. Sometimes I can get away with rolling my skewer. Picking up some paint. Hey, it worked. Let's put that down over here and see if we can do it right next to it. Yep, that's a slightly better line. Do it again. See, that little smooch tomorrow I can fix. Don't want to put my hand in anything. Just taking the tiniest amount of paint and the stripe next to the stripe I want to fill in. And trying to be patient. Because for some reason I am compelled to make that a somewhat more sharp corner. I don't think I'm making things any better, but I don't think I'm making them that much worse either. So that's good. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Having indulged myself in making a fun and funky gold and silver and white pearl pattern. I'm going to put my stuff someplace where the paint can come off and try and figure out what to do in this heat so it won't so whatever I create won't dry quickly. Because that is for sure what's happening. Alright, I hope I didn't bore you to death, and I will see you anon. I told you everything I needed to tell you at the end of the last video. I decided to take a chance because I was seeing canvas. We got this weird shape down here. I don't know what to do about that. I could roll my skewer. I think it's good. I think we need some weirdness. I think we all need some weirdness. Hey, here I am. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. There's almost 87,000 of you, and I'm going to go cool my camera off. Bye for now. Priscilla out.